never saw it coming. The way your eyes were shining in the sun, or by candlelight, that one night in that restaurant. I don't wanna blink, so I don't miss a thing you say or do. Oh, do. I don't need another reason to call you mine. It caught me by surprise, yeah, to see you 7 days a week and still want more. Baby, you're a treat in time spent with you is food for my soul. I got nothing to lose, only a world to gain with you. With you, I don't need a bunch of reasons to call you mine. Darling, there's nothing stopping me calling you my girl, nothing keeping me from you and you from me. We can keep it kids on the playground, 20-somethings in the schoolyard. Bells are ringing closer to my heart. I got no worries, no cares to be hurried, 'cause there is no other. Pull it. Yeah. Go pick it up. Wow. Put it aside. Good job.
How about Kyrie?
That's the biggest. Who's gonna get this one? Wow. Open it. Open it.
Daddy, look what you got. Look what Kyrie got.
Wow, that's a lot.
Wow, he wants to pick. Look what he got. Show this one.
Whoa, that's like a heart shape.
It is a heart shape. Look at that. Kyrie. Done eating now.
Kyrie, you've been eating everything in that container. We can never get it to fill up.